Right now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get 1000 subscribers in less than 1 week, making use of this particular link here. You see this link here? Like, I'll be showing you exactly what you need to do to build your subscribers overnight. It can be less than 1 week, it can be more than 1 week. It depends on how you are able to do it. So this video is going to be very much detailed, and I'm going to be sharing two different ways in which you can be able to get these subscribers faster. So try your best to make sure you pay attention, and these are my secret strategies. These are what helped me to get over 500, 800, 1000 subscribers in less than a day. Okay, so try your best to make sure you pay attention and do not skip any part of this video. With that much being said, let's get started. So now the very first thing you need to do is to head over straight to your Facebook app. Let me quickly on my screen recording so that you all can be following through with every single thing that I'm doing. Now the first thing is to head over straight to your Facebook app, then quickly go over to the trend section, that is to where the reels are. So let's quickly go through from the reels section. You can see the reels. Once you keep scrolling, you will see different kind of videos. So now what we are about to do is to get a particular video that is going to perform well, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so just try your best to make sure you get a video that is eye catchy, a video that somebody will see and would want to watch. For example, this particular video here that says POV, you are a daddy's girl bride. This is a video that has the potential of getting attraction and getting the views. Now what you simply need to do is to click on this share icon here. Once you click on the share icon, you see this option that says copy link. So what you need to do is to simply copy the link. Now once you've copied the link successfully, now head over to the website where I showed you earlier on. Now this website is called Facebook Downloader. You can see it. Just type Facebook Video Downloader and these two websites will pop up. Go ahead and click on the save from net. Now once you click on it, what you simply need to do is to paste that link you copied. So once you've pasted the link here, go ahead and click on this arrow for it to load and bring out the video. So it might take time, it might be fast depending on your network. Now once the video pops up, the next thing you need to do is to click on this option that says download. So after clicking on this option that says download, this download option will still pop up again. Just click on it. So the video is going to download, and once it's done downloading, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on this option. Then this download will come up so that you can easily save the video directly to your phone. This is the video without any watermark, without any single thing. So this is what we have here, and this is what the video looks like. So right now we are going to be making use of this video to get our subscribers fast. So the first thing you need to head over to do is to head over straight to your YouTube app. Let me quickly, okay, now this is my YouTube app. So what we need to do is to upload this particular video. The first thing first is to click on this plus icon as usual, which is your normal usual way of posting short. But let's just quickly run through it for those of us who might not really understand how to really post short. Now go ahead and click on that particular video that we saved from Facebook. What you need to do next, click on done, the usual procedure. One thing you need to pay attention to is you have to understand that the sound coming from that video direct is copyright. Anything that makes you post that video with that sound, you are going to have copyright strike, and YouTube will urge you to bring down that video ASAP. So there are two ways you can do this thing. Either you click here and add your own personal sound. That is, there are a lot of sound here. Let's try this Oluwatosin or this pretty little baby, anyone. So once you have successfully add the sound, the next thing is to click on this icon. You can see the video. This video is really emotional, and had it been I have a channel where I really want to boost my subscribers, I would have posted this video ASAP. Okay, now the next thing is to, okay, the video already has its own caption. If you want to cover the caption, you can write something and cover it up. Just try your best to do anything you know that can bring that eyeball to the video. As for me, for this particular video, I'm going to leave the caption the way it is, because the caption is giving already. So the next thing you need, maybe it's because I'm a daddy's girl. I don't know. So the next thing you need to do is to click on next icon. So it's going to load, and another thing you need to also do is to select a very good thumbnail aspect. Maybe when the father is crying, or maybe when the girl herself is crying, something like this. POV, you are a daddy's girl. This is really, really beautiful. I'm in love with this video, believe me. Now, once you're done with this, the next thing is to give it the best captivating caption. That is your title. Give it a very short title, and after that try to give it close to 2 to 3 different hashtags that can help this your short to go extra viral. You can give it caption like short viral or go viral short, just those trending caption for videos on short to go viral. Try your best to include it, and once you're done, go ahead to select all the necessary options here and you upload your video. So after posting it, you can still go ahead and search out for other things and also upload it. Now, one of the mistake that most of us are doing. Now let me quickly explain something for us before moving over to the next point. I'm going to be honest with you guys, but for this particular strategy, if you are uploading something else on your long form content, let's say you're posting how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to get watch hours, cooking videos, then you literally have no business with doing something like this. Except if maybe you say, oh, I just want to build the sub, I want to build the views, then go back to my way of uploading, then that is okay. But this particular strategy might not work out for some channel. It might work out for channels that are into all this entertainment, news, daily updates, or people that just post random things here. There are some channels that earn strictly from shorts, and there are some that earn from only long form video, while there are some that earn from the both. So this strategy is for channels that you know that what you post on your long form content aligns with this particular kind of video. Okay, do not say, oh, Princess said we should post shorts, and maybe you are doing tech, and all of a sudden you start downloading people dancing, people crying, and be posting it to your short. You're going to gather the wrong audience, and they might not be interested to what that thing they are posting on your long form video. So what you can do is search for video relating to that thing you were doing, or if possible use your own video, still the same procedure, but you're not going to the website to download any link. Just use your own video and share it to the shorts. This particular strategy is literally going to help boost your subscribers. Believe me when I say so. Believe me when I say so. Okay, so now the next step, or another thing that you can also do, still the same procedure, you can do it directly with your TikTok videos. You can go to TikTok, search out for videos that are trending, funny video, emotional video, daddy welcoming, that is kids welcoming their dad home after a long period of time. Just get the video, bring it here, and simply change the sound and upload it. Another way also is by doing it through the app called Instagram. Now for the Instagram aspect, that is, if you're going to be getting your videos from Instagram, you have to pay attention. Try to check out if the particular poster of that video is not on YouTube, because YouTube might track the video and flag it. But if you change the sound, I don't think you should be having any problem with it. Okay, so the website you can click on for you to be able to save up the video coming from Instagram is Instagram Saver. You can download the app. It's an app on its own, and just copy the link and paste it there and simply download your video. So the next pattern that you can also use to achieve this particular kind of video is simply head over to this place that says short, then just be scrolling. So what you need to do is, as you're scrolling here, just try to look out for a video that performed very well. Let's use this baby dancing video for example. Now once you click on this, so the first thing you need to do is to click on this icon here. So once you click on the icon, you're going to see it's 91k people have actually uploaded or have actually made videos with this sound. So the next thing is to also check out the videos if they performed well. So this sound has the potential of giving you a viral video. What do you have to do? Click on use this sound. It is very, very simple. Now the next thing you can do is to go ahead and click on add and still select that same video. This is it. Then you click on done and you're good to go. Just go ahead and click on this place. Let's quickly hear what the sound looks like. Because of copyright, let us cut it halfway. Okay, so this is what the video look like, and the next thing you can do is to go ahead and click on next, then put your caption, your right hashtag, and you're good to go. So let's say maybe you don't want to use anybody random video. Now once you click on, let's go back. Now once you click on this video here, that is, once you click on this place, another thing you can do is use this sound. So then simply record yourself. Just record yourself doing something. Record yourself dancing or just vibing to the sound. So once you're done, go ahead and click on done, and you simply go ahead to edit your video, put the right caption, and oh, that is what you need to do. The next thing is to click on next, put in your caption, and select a very good place for your thumbnail, and your video is good to go. So posting YouTube short is actually one of the fastest, yes, fastest and easiest way to get subscribers here on YouTube. Okay, now you can also get these subs from posting your long form content, but it might not be as fast as it is when it comes to posting directly from short, except if maybe that your long form video happen to go viral or get enough visibility. Okay, so this strategy, just like as I said earlier on, if you check out your channel and it aligns with this kind of video, go ahead and post it to boost that your subscriber number up. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and if you're out there looking for a way to get 1000 watch hours, 4000 watch hours, this is a detailed video tutorial on how you can be able to get those watch hours on your channel. And also, if you're looking for ways to get these same subscribers in another format, this is exactly another video that you can also watch to build your subscribers. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you made it to this extent, if you have any question, kindly go down to the comment section and drop it. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.